Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this nose. For nose, we will first make a slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now in the first chain crochet stitch, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in that first stitch itself. 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there goes 5. Okay, then after that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches again. Now we make 3 chain crochet stitches and join the third stitch or last stitch with the first stitch from where we started everything. Yeah, with the slip stitch. See, we get that tiny nose, teeny tiny nose. Now last step is remaining. We will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the nose. That's it. 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around the nose, and our nose is ready. See, this is how a final piece looks like. Just cut those threads, and this is how a final piece looks like. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Now only for half circle we are going to do this work. Just insert your needle in one of the stitch and pull black yarn and make a chain crochet stitch. Then only for half circle we will make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. So I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now that's the final piece. Following exactly same pattern, make 2 circles. This cutie crochet nose is ready. This nose could be used for dog applique, cat applique, bunny applique, and many more places. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. Thanks for staying till end. Like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.